Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, family. This is Jim Hawkins coming to you on March 19th, 2026. I wanted to entitle this video, What Are We Waiting For? And this is going to sound very familiar. If you watched Megan Mitchell's recent video, she entitled hers Transitions. And we're kind of thinking the same, we're like-minded, thinking the same kind of things. But I wanted to share some information. Right now, Victory with Ash, if you are not aware about, within the last week, there were some updates to the new Victory with Ash website. If you want to go and check that out, it's VictoryWithAsh.com. Check it out. You can join in. It is a private invitation only. If you would like to find out more, please message me. But Victory with Ash, a lot of changes have been made to the website, a lot of new colors, new scenery within the site. Go check it out. So again, some of the things that I encourage you to go and listen to Megan Mitchell's video from this. It's actually Thursday, March 19th as well. But there's going to be some similarities. Again, sharing that were mind-like ideas that we had for our videos. I haven't put a video out for a little while too. I've been busy with work. Usually when I get back from vacation, I'm full on pedal to the metal kind of, just trying to get things organized for the next thing that I'm going to be doing soon. But I wanted to say, what are we waiting for? First of all, a lot of people have been complaining, I would imagine, because there's been such a silence in Ash. But let me share this information with you if you're not aware. Just the fact that there are things that have changed within the Victory with Ash site tells me Ash is working. He's working behind the scenes. He's working hard to update things. Even though Ash is not physically coming out and giving a webinar or any kind of viewing from Ash. Again, just to remind you, Ash is doing things differently this time. We learned the hard lessons, and again, I've shared with multiple other videos that I've done. Ash learned a hard lesson with as much as that he was sharing in the past. He's not doing it this time. If he has something to say, he will come out and say it. There should be an understanding, and this goes into a whole different direction. I wanted to share this too with my international friends that I've got through this company, the former company, and now Victory with Ash. There's a lot of concern about, because Ash has been so silent, a lot of people are starting to stray away, and that's fine. Again, Megan mentions some of this about what to do in your transitions, how to transition, and people have difficult times. But again, my interpretation of this is you got to do what you got to do. You can't rely, and this is to help my brothers in the, like I said, the international community. We are one big family. Sometimes we don't understand each other, maybe through translation, but this is to help them out. I am a single lingual person. I only speak one language, and I apologize for that, and maybe perhaps in my future I'll learn some other languages, but I'm getting a little old for that. It's hard to teach the old dog new tricks. But I will encourage my friends if this translates well, I encourage this to be shared out to my my friends around the international community. But we're all here doing the same thing. And again, we're trying to lead our circles, our groups, our people, our family members, to keep them upbeat, to keep them supported. And again, I hope the translation of this can get out there to my friends, and to especially the ones that are leaders that lead videos and whatnot. But I will encourage them. I'm here for them as well. Again, we're here to motivate, to keep positive. But going back to the title, what are we waiting for? Again, we are waiting for something big. We had the example from the former company. And again, some people are still using the logos and the signs and stuff. That former company is no longer here. I would encourage you not to use those, although they're very, when you look at it, it's very encouraging to see that there was a business and we were going in the right direction. But again, as we mentioned before, we just had the breakdowns and whatnot, but that's not important for right now. But what is important is that we do try to communicate the same message, the same messages to our community, for those that are still waiting to find out, what's going on. Again, I hope this translation will get out in the right manner, so that we're, again, sharing the same information, not hyping, not inflating. Victory with Ash will get here. Again, the changes, that's speaking volumes to me, sharing that Ash is out there, Ash is his team, they're working still behind the scenes. Again, that speaks volumes to me, and I'm sharing that with you. Ash is doing stuff. He's not just sitting around. He's not. He's a human too, and he's got to spend time with his family, and he has dedicated a lot of his life to getting this promise delivered to us as a community. Again, we stick around as a family. We help each other out. Again, what are we waiting for? What are you waiting for? There's a lot of goodness that we are waiting for. A lot of things that was delivered to us going back to the old company. OConnect was a phenomenal platform. I kind of hope that there's still an OConnect somewhere in our future, but I don't know if that's a possibility or not. But that was it was a wake-up call to Zoom and to all those other platforms that use multi people in one community, one platform to communicate in a large manner. So if Victory with Ash is anything like OConnect, we're in for something good, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that. Again, patience is our biggest friend right now. Again, for the leaders that are out there sharing to their circles, to their community. We are waiting for something big. It's going to be big when it comes out, and we already know what this Victory with Ash is going to lead to. If the direction goes in any type of business fashion, Victory with Ash is going to lead that. It's going to help us develop ourselves and our potential future business. It's going to lead us into something great. So again, that's what I'm waiting for. I hope that's what you're waiting for too. I do encourage you to listen to Redfern and Megan, and there's still so many people putting out, and I only have so much time in a day. Sherry Dershowitz, she's putting out stuff almost every night. Again, I just don't have that luxury. Someday when I can retire or something, when Victory with Ash takes me to retirement, I'll have more time to put out videos. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. Again, I apologize to Megan. We just were thinking kind of the same way, and I just wanted to get out there and say this is what I'm waiting for. I hope this is what you're waiting for too. We just have to find things to do while we're waiting. Complaining is great, but just there's not much we can do until Ash is ready to put this out there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my content. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I've been watching a lot of YouTubes, and I see how YouTube works, and like I said, I'm not trying to do things for money, but I can use my YouTube in a different manner after I get over 1,000 subscribers. So anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe, make a comment. I do try to respond back to you all. Again, I do love you guys as a family, and if you're not in the family, please message me, and I'll make you part of the family. I'll help you become part of the family. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. I don't know when I'll be back. I do have another vacation coming up in a couple weeks. I'll share more about that later. So again, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.